In this video, we are going to see how to remove noise in microphone. For this first method, click settings, click system settings, click sound settings, scroll down and click microphone array. The input settings will open. In this, you need to click the format and make sure it should be in 48,000 Hz, and input volume you need to decrease and increase and check. After that, you need to test the mic and check it. Click play option and check if the issues still remains. Then go on with the audio enhancement. Click voice clarity, click it, and voice focus it should be in automatic. Make it automatic. Once enabling these settings, come back, scroll down and click more settings. This pop-up will appear. In this, go to record and click microphone array, right click it and click properties, click advanced mode and make sure the audio enhancement it should be in enabled mode. If it's disabled means you need to enable it, the audio enhancement, and click apply and OK. Again right click and disable it and wait for a couple of seconds. After, click enable and click apply and OK. Once completing this step, close it. And the next step, go to settings, click system settings, scroll down and click troubleshoot and click other troubleshoot and click audio. In right hand side, you have seen the run option is there. Click it and you need to type the following issues and it will give the troubleshoot method. Close it. And the next method, search for device manager. Click it. In this audio input and output is there. You need to right click microphone and click update driver. You can update driver by using automatic, or else you can go with browse my computer and click a specific audio endpoint, or else depends on you. You can click the specific update. Once the update is complete, after you need to check it, it still remains the same issue. Go with uninstall driver. Once uninstall, after you need to restart your device, it will automatically reinstall your drivers. Thank you.